How to easily purchase on Toca Boca. So the very first thing that you want to do before you head directly to the Toca Boca application is you do have to make sure that you're currently running the latest version of the app. Just head over to your Google Play Store if you're using an Android device, look for Toca Boca World and make sure that it is updated. Now the next thing you do is of course logged into your Toca Boca application, and in here there are options in which where you can purchase any stuffs on Toca Boca. The very first thing is to head directly to their shop, which is going to be the green circle icon, and then in here you will be having an options where or what to purchase. So if it's going to be for character creator, design and build, furniture packs, fan faves, map, and so on and so forth. So say for example we choose on bubble pop spa, just simply tap on that and then just choose on buy. In here you just have to input a specific age that is actually above 18, because if it's going to be below 18 then it will not went through. So say for example choose on 1996, and once you have fully chosen on that birth date, your payment method will pop out right here. Just choose on your preferred payment method and head on buy, and that's it. That's pretty much very easy and how you can purchase on Toca Boca.